Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M IELTS. This is Manmohit. Now guys, in today's video, I am just going to continue the other IELTS reading question that I've started for the general module. So I've got another set of questions that I would be discussing with you, giving you some time to do it by yourself and also going through the explanation as to how did we end up getting the correct answer. So as you can see, this is the paragraph that we have got in front of us, and we have got few categories which are given over here, like Commonwealth Trust, Charles Peguy Center, and few more. And then we have got a set of questions over here. And if we just look at the question over here, it says, look at the article club for students. Which club would you contact for each of the requirements below? So over here, they have given us a requirement. And then our job is to find which paragraph is the correct one, as in which club should we be contacting if we need that thing done. They have given us an example. So if we just look over here, we just need to write down these alphabets A to G in the given spaces in your exam. And they've given us an example where it says, you wish to go swimming at 7 a.m. every morning. Now, the technique that is going to work in this particular topic is going to be my skim and scan. So this is what is going to work for me, and this is what I'm going to do, which means that I'm going to take the keywords out of every single question. So for example, in this one, they have got the keywords such as swimming, 7 a.m. every morning. So these are the keywords in this particular sentence. And then my job is to read out all the paragraphs, skim and scan all the paragraphs, find at least the same ones or even the similar keywords, and then just put down that particular letter. So let's say they have said the answer G. So I'm just going to go to the paragraph G just to find out that I want to go swimming at 7 a.m. every morning. Let's see. If I look at G paragraph, it says, provides accommodation and club facilities, no membership fee, coffee shop open for all meals, swimming pool open at 6 a.m., multi-gym, hairdressing salon, and all that. So swimming pool is open at 6 a.m. And the sentence was, you wish to go swimming at 7 a.m. every morning. That means to go swimming at 7 a.m. every morning, you need to contact the G club, which is Central Club. So this is basically the task. And they've also said us one thing, that you may use each letter more than once. So we have to always read out the questions properly, that one club can be mentioned more than once. So we have to be very careful of that. Let's look at the very first one. It says 15th number, you would like to take Spanish classes. Now what you can do is, since you're watching a video, you can pause this video at this particular time and then by yourself try to find which paragraph do you think would be the correct answer. And then you can resume the video and then you can follow along whatever I'm saying. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and solve this. It says you would like to take Spanish classes. If I look in the E paragraph, it says facilities include photography, art, drama, poetry, language courses. Now they have not mentioned anything about Spanish classes, but they've used a similar meaning, which is language courses, because we know Spanish is a type of language and they've mentioned language courses or Spanish classes. That means the correct club has to be club number E. So this is one thing we have to be very careful of, that they may not give us the exact words, but we have to be very careful when we read out the paragraph to find something similar that is given to us. Next, you want to join a club that has international branches. So what sort of synonyms can be there for international? International means overseas, foreigners. These could be the synonyms of that particular word. So we are going to look something along the lines. So we want to join a club that has international branches. Let's have a look. Again, the drill, you pause the video, you find the answer by yourself, and then you can resume it. If I look in the paragraph number D, it says open 365 days per year. This is a club with facilities in London and Edinburgh with restaurants, bars, and accommodations. There are branches around the world and 57 reciprocal clubs worldwide. So what they are saying is there are branches around the world. And the question was, you want to join a club that has international branches. So my correct answer has to be Royal Overseas League Club, which is number D. So that would be my correct answer. Next is you would like an opportunity to speak in public. So now you want to speak in public and you want an opportunity for that. Let's have a look which paragraph would that be. If I look at paragraph number A, it says organized discussion meetings, learned talks, cultural events, excursions to places of interest and invitation to major British diary events. So right away, discussion meetings and learned talks should give away the answer that because it's a discussion meeting, that means you would be speaking in public. Learned talks, that means again you would be speaking in public. So my correct answer has to be A. Next, you would like to take part in amateur theatrical productions. If I look at paragraph number E, facilities include photography, art, drama, pottery, language courses, badminton, squash, exercise, music, circuit training, sports, fitness training, and other activities. The moment they mentioned photography, art, drama, that's all related to theatre. And we want to take part in amateur theatrical productions. That means my correct answer has to be E. Next one, you want to visit some famous sites with a group of other students. So two things we're looking at over here. One is we're looking at going to some famous places, and we're also looking to go there with a group of other students. Let's have a look. If I again look at paragraph number A, organized discussion meetings, learned talks, cultural events, excursions, which is visiting other places to places of interest, again good, and invitations to major British. But cultural events means different cultures, different people. Event excursions to places of interest. So Commonwealth Trust is my correct club. So A has to be correct answer. Next, you are interested in finding out about part-time work. So now we're looking for work. Let's have a look. Again, you can pause the video and try to find out the answer by yourself. If I look at paragraph number B, French Youth Center providing advice, support and information to young Europeans aged between 18 to 30. Facilities include an information and advice service regarding education, work placement and general welfare rights. So they do provide advice about work placement. This club, which is number B. So B has to be my correct answer. And then last but not the least, you want to meet some English people who have started their careers, professions. All right. So all these are synonyms of the words. You want to meet some English people who have started their careers. Let's have a look. Again, you can pause the video to find out the answer. If you look at paragraph number F, IVC is an activities and social club with a varied range of events from cycling and drama to windsurfing and yoga. Most members are who? Young English professionals. English people who have started their careers, that means they are professionals. All right. So that matches, and that means my correct answer has to be paragraph number F. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, and obviously in the next video I would be doing the rest of the questions, but this is basically, I just wanted to keep this video just for these questions because they can definitely be challenging, because we are not just looking for the clubs, but we were also looking for synonyms or different words. Like they did not give us the exact same words in the paragraphs. They gave us different words. They either paraphrased it, they either gave us synonyms, or they just completely wrote it in a bit different way, but the meaning was exactly the same. So we have to be very careful and vigilant with these kind of questions. That's why practice is needed a lot for these kind of topics, so that you can get the correct answers, but also at the same time you can solve them as quickly as possible, because in the exam you do not get a lot of time to solve these. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any sort of questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you need any other videos, or if you are struggling in any other topics that you want us to make videos on, you can always put that down in the comment section below and we can make the videos based on those topics. All the best if you have got your exams coming soon, and I'll see you all in the next video.